Inday, tumatawag, madam. Madam, tumatawag,
Madam?
Inday.
Hey, your voice, madam.
Madam.
Madam?
Tumatawag, Inday.
Inday, I'm hearing you. You're not hearing me. Why go down? I see those what
Madam?
mountain? My God,
Okay,
those big.
okay. Ay, madam, how are you?
Good, Inday. You clean house?
Yes, madam, I clean your house.
Chicken clean?
Chicken? Yeah, I
Yes.
clean chicken.
Okay,
Ay,
good, 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 good.
madam, I borrow your shampoo. Your shampoo is very nice and soft. You said need chicken very soft.
What? Astaghfirullah.
Yeah, I borrow shampoo to make skin soft. Chicken very soft, very smell.
Shampoo is for hair.
Madam, chicken have feather. Same, stick together, same hair. Same together, stick together, same family.
Astaghfirullah,
Oh,
Inday.
you don't like, madam?
Inday.
Okay.
Don't use my shampoo again. How expensive.
Okay, madam.
Now is cool.
A chicken? No problem with chicken. Not alive anymore. It's in the fire. Now color black na. Ay, nice color, madam.
What? To make my house fire?
No problem, madam. The house is just okay. Just fire. The heaven is fire. Ay, madam? Madam? Madam, chicken is okay. No signal, madam. Madam.
Thanks for watching. Follow and share. Bye.